Laundry is something that never ends and will probably never end in your household. So I'm definitely excited about this laundry basket. Let's check it out. So I'm liking the lightweight and collapsible design on this laundry basket. It's got a nice little lid here, and then it expands out just like this. It comes with these 4 holes here that you insert just like so. And this is going to give your laundry basket its stability so that it stays upright. It also has this little bamboo rim around it, which I think looks really nice. So to set these up here, I'm just going to insert these inside. There's a little place for them to go, so it's super easy. And I'm gonna show what this looks like set up. So I got this all set up with the little support beams inside of there. And this has a cool design to it. First off, you've got this little clear window here so you can see how much laundry you have in there and if it's getting full. And on this side, you actually have a little pocket there for whatever you want to put in the pocket. There are little cutouts here on both sides so that it has handles, and it has this little mesh removable bag. So you can have this installed in here. There is little buttons where you can kind of button it on. And then once it gets full, instead of taking the entire laundry basket, you just remove your liner and take this to the washer and wash your clothes. And then you can, put your dry clothes in here. And this is a material that would dry really easily. So if your clothes are kind of damp when they go in there, it would not be an issue. Really nice design, very functional. This laundry basket has a 100-liter large capacity, and the material is water repellent. I love that you can wash and remove the laundry bag inside.